So today I wanted to show you what I got at Lowe's. So I want to create my own vanity instead of buying like a basic table because I'm not trying to spend too much money, and this was pretty affordable. I think I spent like $46 for this stuff alone, and then this was like an extra $10. But I'll tell you why I had to spend that extra $10. So these are going to be the legs. I wanted them in white, but they only had espresso. I'll show you what it is. Vertical stackable organizers. So I ended up buying this white contact paper to put over them because I'm impatient and I don't want to wait. And they're also like not for delivery, so this is my only option. This is the top of the vanity, and here's that. So yeah, I wanted the legs to be white, obviously, but I couldn't get them in white, so they only had them in espresso. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna spend the extra $10, unfortunately, to get the reusable paper, contact paper, hello. So yeah, so that is my plan. I'm gonna put it all together. I'm gonna show you guys how I do it, so stay tuned. So a very, very long process later, I finally did it. I think it looks so cute. I'm just unsure if I should get a longer shelf that's on top. So like I don't know. Like I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted. My camera died. But I don't know if I should get like a bigger shelf because like there's not a lot of leg space, but it's like fine also. Like here, I'll show you guys from this angle. I think it's fine. This is so funny. I think it's fine, but I think, oh, I definitely have to like secure this down for sure. Maybe put command strips or something, or maybe like wood glue. But I think it's like, this is like a really good size makeup table. I'm gonna have my mirror here. I think it's a good size. And I don't like usually tuck my legs into the middle anyways, so I don't think it's that big of a deal. And then I plan on getting like contact paper. I don't have enough right now, so I didn't want to order some, and then put it on top to make the top look all nice and pretty. And then I'm also gonna like DIY the stool I have. But yeah. So this was the longest process of my life, and I recommend you getting the color you want and not contact papering everything, because that's a nuisance. Yeah, so I don't feel like taking my camera off of my tripod, but the clips that I'm about to show you is a DIY that I made with my sister. So I saw this idea off of Pinterest. It was like these cute little shelves. It's like a octagon, I think it's an octagon, and a triangle. So I did it with wood shims. Wood shims? I think it's wood shims. But yeah, I think it came out super cute, and I think it's really cute. It's really cute. I think it came out really well, and I'm excited to put it on my wall. So right now, I'm just kind of like laying out how I think I kind of want my wall to look. So, I don't really know. That's like the stuff I have for my wall right now. It's like a little picture of the castle that I bought during the art festival in Disney, and the stuff I just made today, and this little macrame. I got this from the Christmas tree shop, and the Mickey Mouse in the middle is made by my friend Kylie, my ex-roommate Kylie. But yeah, so I think I'm just going to try to map out how I want everything, and then I'm gonna put it on the wall. Oh, I didn't even realize I'm not even framed. Yeah, so let's get better. Yeah, I hope I explained this like well enough. If not, then you're gonna see another clip of me talking. But yeah. Hi everyone, so I want to show you my desk so far. So pretty much I ended up, I don't know if I told you guys this yet, but I ended up getting a longer piece, like shelving up top, because it was just way too short and the space in between here was just way too like thin. So now I have like a much more leg room, Now I have way more leg room than I did before, so I'm happy about that. Like you guys saw, I wrapped these brown shelving units in white contact paper. It's not perfect, but I think it looks pretty damn good. So I ended up getting a little X-Acto knife, and I cut around the screw area and to make it look a little bit more like real, like this is the actual color of the shelving unit. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Right now I'm going to wrap this top piece in this contact paper. I don't know if I'm gonna like it too good, because I thought it was gonna be a little bit darker, because I thought it would match the carpet, but I feel like it's a little too light. So I am unsure about this. I wanted like a pop of color, so that's why I got blue instead of like doing like the whole marble vanity like everybody else has. So I'm gonna do this, and yeah. Don't mind all of this like mess. It was just like the stuff I had on top of my desk before I started filming. There's my doggy! Oh, he's tired. I have 2 batteries for my camera, and currently they're both dead. So the ending of the me applying the contact paper to the shelf or the top of my desk could be a little wonky, but I tried. So yeah, this is it. I think I kind of like it. I mean, yeah, it's a little light, and I expected it to be a little bit darker, but I mean, it's a vibe. And now I think I just want to do this fuzzy chair DIY now. I think I want to cut up an old dog bed. He's triggered. Cut up an old dog bed and put it underneath this as like a cushion. And then I'm gonna hot glue this down onto the chair to make it look nice and neat. But other than that, like, I think I just want to do, hold on. I think I just want to get like little things for my room now. Like, I think I wanted to get like a flower vine to go around like the closet area, and like flowers in general, just like fake flowers to put around the room. And I wanted to put like little fake flowers in these like little cubby areas, maybe some makeup, I don't know yet.
And they called it puppy love.